What if I told you could make money every single day just by using your phone? No skill, no investment. In this video, I saw three powerful apps that are actually paying users daily right here in the US. Stick till the end because the third one can pay you every while you sleep. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channels. If you are looking for real way to earn daily incomes from your phone without getting scammed, you in the right place. We researched and tested this app ourselves. They are free to join. They really pay and payout happen via people cash apps or every direct deposit. Let's jump into the list. First app is Swagbucks Live. Now you probably heard of Swagbucks before, but did you know they have a live trivia games apps that pay you a real money? Here so it works every day. They host trivia games. You join in answers a few fun questions, and if you win, you get a share of the cash prize. You don't have to win the whole thing either. Even participating can earn you a Swagbucks point, which you can redeem instantly for PayPal, Cash, Amazon gift cards. You even Visa rewards. Fun, fast, and totally free. Pro tips: try to join on Thursday. They usually have the highest prize pool then. Second app, a field agent. Next is an app called a field agent. This one perfect for people who don't mind stepping out once in a while. Here how it works: companies need a real feedback on their products, stores of display. You pick a small task in your local areas like a checking price of a Walmart, snapping self photos of a Walgreens, or wearing questions at a Target. Each task pay $3 to $20. In once complete, you get paid within 24 hours. Some things even someday. You don't need to talk to anyone or sell anything, just complete the missions and case out. Bonus: it also include at home jobs like a product testing or short survey, which you can do without leaving your house. Third app, Mode Earn app. Now here one I told you about the Mood Earn app. It literally pay you just for doing what you already do, like listening to music, reading news, or even charging your phone. Yes, it sounds crazy, but the app runs in the background and give you point for every minute you spend or a simple task. This point can be redeemed for a cash daily via PayPal, a bank transfer, or gift cards. The best part: they have a daily earn a cap at $25 to $30. You active enough and payout here processed in less than 48 hours. It's one of the most passive and consistent income app be seen. Pro tips: you there refer programs and earn up to a 5% of your friend earn for life that are real passive incomes. So here have its three apps that can actually pay you daily in the US without any scared trick of upfront payment. Recap: Swagbucks Live rewards, fun trivia for fast, field agent easy local gigs and at a home job. Third, a mode earn app passive income while doing daily stuff. If you found this helpful, smack that like button, share it with a friend who need extra cash, and subscribe for more related money making tips. Comment below which apps you try first, or if you already used any of them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.